Good morning, boys and girls. I talked to you about the shape circle, the shape square, and the shape triangle. Now today, I want to talk to you about this shape, okay? And this shape is called a rectangle. Let me write the name rectangle. And so here's the name of the shape, rectangle. If I ask you to tell me the difference between this square and this rectangle, what will you say? How are they different and how are they the same? Remember when we talked about the square, we said that it has 4 sides, 4 corners, but all the sides of the rectangle are the same length, okay? So the top is the same as the bottom, and the left and the right is the same. The right and the left, the top and the bottom are all the same length. Now let's look at a rectangle. And how is it different from a square? A rectangle also has 4 sides. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. And it also has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. But what makes this shape different from a square is that it has 2 long sides, okay? 1 on top, 1 on the bottom, and 2 short sides. If you turn it this way, it's a shape of a door. You will never have a door that is in a shape of a square, but you will always find a door that is a rectangular shape, okay? So it has 4 sides and 4 corners, but there are 2 short sides and 2 long sides, okay? That is a rectangle. All right, I'm going to compare two rectangles. You tell me if they are the same or different, okay? Look at these 2 rectangles. How are they the same or how are they different? There is one way that they're the same. How is that? Well, both of them are yellow and both of them are rectangle. But what is the difference between these 2 shapes? Well, obviously one is bigger and one is smaller. If you look at these 2, okay, can you tell how they're different? How are they different? Well, obviously one is yellow, one is red. How are they the same? They're both rectangles and they both are in the same size. Correct? Okay. Now if you look at these 3 rectangles, do you see anything that is the same? Well, I hope that you say they're all rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. And I hope you say that 2 are blue, 1 is yellow. What's the same about the 2 big ones? They're blue, and they're both big. What's different about this yellow one? Well, obviously it is yellow, and it is smaller. Okay, so here is a pattern that I created. Okay? Yellow, blue, yellow, blue. Or you could say small, big, small, big. My question to you is, if we continue this pattern, what shape will go right here? Is it going to be a small yellow rectangle, or is it going to be a big blue rectangle? And the answer is, it's going to be another yellow rectangle, because to repeat the pattern, yellow, blue, yellow, and then blue again after that. Now let's trick you. How about this pattern? How do you read this? Too small, too big. Or yellow, yellow, blue, blue. What will go next? Is it going to be two more yellow, two more small yellow rectangle? Or is it going to be two big blue rectangle over here? And the answer is, if you read this pattern, okay? Yellow, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, blue. So the next two shapes, of course, is going to be two yellow, two small yellow, right? Okay, again, rectangle, it's a shape that has four sides, four corners, but two sides are longer and two sides are shorter.